So today we're talking about an opportunity to watch performing artists that we don't always think about. Many people go to theme parks or take cruises, and there are a whole variety of shows that you can experience in each of those opportunities. They are a great way to escape whatever crazy weather is happening outside, be it super hot and you need a break from the sun, or it started pouring and you want to get out of the rain. More often than not, the entertainment departments for each of those are usually in full swing at that point. But even still, even if you're just looking for a break in the day, they're a great place to go visit and observe a show. When you're at a theme park or on a cruise ship, those entertainers are working as hard as possible to bring you really awesome entertainment. They do a number of shows throughout the day, more often than not. Sometimes shows vary, and it's always different from year to year, and it's a great way just to experience another performing art realm. You'll find some of those shows are themed. You'll also find that there are different casts involved, and there's so many things that go on behind the scenes, and it's really cool just to experience what they have to offer. It's like going to your standard theater, but the shows are sometimes shorter, so you're not having to spend an hour and a half or 2+ hours on one show. So you can do theatrical performances in smaller doses. And like I said, it's oftentimes a great way when you're looking for just a break from either the heat or weird weather that may be going on. And it's again a really awesome way to support the performing arts world. I will see you tomorrow.